showdown that has now been reported as far as politics over poisoned Yamuna has now exploded further, with the Aam Aadmi Party netas having now taken to the streets while carrying bottles of water from the river Yamuna coming from Haryana. And this was a direct challenge we have seen on part of the Aam Aadmi Party chief and other Aam Aadmi Party leaders, saying that their workers and karyakartas were straight away walked to the BJP headquarters and they will demand, as far as the BJP is also concerned, to drink that water from Yamuna if they want to prove a point that the water that comes in from Haryana is not toxic or it is not poisonous. And this verbal confrontation seems to be happening with the security officials. Let's get in a word from Tetri now. Tetri, what's happening there? BJP headquarters, as the Aam Aadmi Party netas have now reached.
Well, yes. High drama unfolding here outside the Bharatiya Janata Party office, where the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, in fact, were carrying the bottles, and in fact, they wanted to hand over these bottles, in which you can see in your visuals, on which it's written Viren Sachdeva, Amit Shah, Rahul Gandhi, and Nayab Singh Saini. They wanted to hand over all these bottles to BJP leaders, but they were stopped over here at just before the barricades. In fact, security is deployed, and in fact, we will also speak to the leaders over here who are present, and in fact, we'll try to get in a word so as to what will be their next plan. But yes, as of now, high drama was unfolding over here. You can see that the security was deployed over here. The security was deployed, and there was a verbal confrontation. Anurag ji, we are live, and if we can, we'll also speak to him and get to know so as to what they are going to do next, what they are going to plan next. But yes, here we have Reena Gupta to speak with us. Reena ji, if you can please tell us that, yes, please you can tell us that the bottles are kept over there. You are not being allowed. What was the reason?
See, we brought 4 bottles of water. This is the water which has very high levels of ammonia, 6 to 7 ppm ammonia, which is not possible to treat. So Bharatiya Janata Party had devised this conspiracy to send this poisonous water to Delhi, hoping that the people of Delhi will fall sick and they will have a negative attitude towards Aam Aadmi Party.
You wanted BJP leaders to have this water, and also Rahul Gandhi as well.
हाँ, राहुल गांधी भी तो उन्हीं की भाषा बोल रहे हैं ना, तो राहुल गांधी भी पी के दिखाएं ये पानी, और इलेक्शन कमिश्नर भी पी के दिखाएं ये पानी, अगर वो कह रहे हैं कि कुछ नहीं है इसमें.
लेकिन you were not allowed to go towards the
road. Police stopped us. We've left the bottles. We hope that the police will take these bottles to Amit Shah.
All right, we'll also show you the visuals as to what kind of drama unfolded over here. We'll try walk in over here and in fact show that how the bottles are placed over here with the names of the leaders that are placed over here. In fact, you can see that the name of the bottles, see, first of all it's Viren Sachdeva, then it's Amit Shah, and then it's Rahul Gandhi, all these water and in fact bottles. And in fact, Aam Aadmi Party claims that this particular water that's spilled in this bottle, they all have the ammonia level of 7 ppm, and that is why they want that the BJP leaders should drink this water, and that's why this entire war is escalating. War of words is escalating. We'll keep on showing the visuals as well so as to what is happening over here. High security was at place, and in fact nobody was being allowed to in fact move from this particular place forward. And in fact we'll also try to speak to Anurag ji, who was also present over here. Anurag ji, you were carrying the bottles in your hand, but you were not allowed to place these bottles from Rahul Gandhi to Amit Shah to Viren Sachdeva.
4 लोग आए थे 4 बोतल पानी देने के लिए, और इसलिए क्योंकि ये कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी जी भी, अमित शाह जी भी, वीरेंद्र सचदेवा भी, नायब सिंह सैनी भी, कि ये पानी सेफ है, पानी सेफ है. तो आप पी के दिखा दीजिए. हम तो सैंपल लेके आए थे उसी 7 ppm वाटर का. अगर आप नहीं पी सकते तो दिल्ली के लोगों को जहरीला पानी पीने के लिए क्यों मजबूर कर रहे हैं? ये सवाल अरविंद केजरीवाल जी उठा रहे हैं, और लगातार यही सवाल हम उठा रहे हैं. इसके चलते ये राजनीति भारतीय जनता पार्टी कर रही थी, उसको एक्सपोज किया.
लेकिन
So sip the water and tell the results. This seems to be the direct dare that political parties seems to be throwing at each other. But let's in the meantime also talk